Good morning students, I hope you all are well. So as we are discussing our chapter plants in the surrounding, so today we will discuss about the new topic of this chapter which is seed and germination. How the seed germinate into a new plant or a baby plant. So I know you all have seen a seed, सबने seed देखे होंगे and the seed contains है outer covering around it. Seed के चारों तरफ क्या होता है, covering present होती है that can be easily removed in some seeds also. For example अगर हम देखें तो जो आपकी पी होती है, जो आपकी ग्रीन पीज होती है, उसकी जो सीड कोट होता है उसको आप इजीली रिमूव कर सकते हैं. वेयरएज आपकी जो राजमा बीन्स होती हैं उनमें भी व्हेन वी सोक देम इन वाटर वी कैन इजीली रिमूव द सीड कोट फ्रॉम देम. सो आउटर कवरिंग इज प्रेजेंट ऑन द सीड व्हिच इज नोन एज द सीड कोट एंड इनसाइड इन बिटवीन द सीड कोट there is a baby plant which is known as embryo is present and that will grow into a new plant. And this embryo is surrounded by these seed leaves which are also known as cotyledons and they store food for the developing embryo. So let's start what we have to discuss in this. First is seeds have a baby plant called, seeds जो होती हैं they have a baby plant called embryo in them. सीड जो होती है उनकी मिड में कॉटिलेडन्स के मिड में एक बेबी प्लांट प्रेजेंट होता है दैट इज नोन एज द एम्ब्रियो एंड दैट विल ग्रो इनटू अ न्यू प्लांट, जो न्यू प्लांट में ग्रो करता है. नेक्स्ट इज अ सीड कैन ग्रो इनटू अ न्यू प्लांट इफ इट रीचेज द सॉइल. It means a seed can grow into a new plant only when it is sown into the soil or it gets enough water and warmth. Water and warmth are also necessary for seed to germinate or to grow into a new plant. Next is if we talk about the parts of the seed. What are the different parts of the seed? So the first one is the outer covering of a seed is called seed coat. आउटर कवरिंग जो होती है सीड की इट इज नोन एज सीड कोट एंड इट कैन बी थिन और सॉफ्ट एज लाइक इन राजमा बीन्स और इन ग्रीन पीस, वेयरएज इट कैन बी थिक और हार्ड इन कोकोनट. कोकोनट का जो सीड कोट होता है इट इज वेरी हार्ड बट इफ यू सी द राजमा बीन्स और द ग्रीन पीस उनका जो सीड कोट होता है वो कैसा होता है, बहुत ज्यादा सॉफ्ट होता है और बहुत ज्यादा थिन भी होता है. Next, seed coat protect the embryo. What is the function of the seed coat? Seed coat protect the embryo from the injury. जो embryo यानी कि बेबी प्लांट है उसको वो इंजरी से प्रोटेक्ट करता है एंड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम ड्राइंग आउट, उसको ड्राई होने से भी प्रिवेंट करता है. उसके लिए क्या है, वो मॉइस्चर प्रोवाइड करता है और साथ ही साथ उसको इंजरीज से भी प्रोटेक्ट करता है सो दैट इट विल डेवलप इनटू अ न्यू प्लांट. आफ्टर दैट एंडोस्पर्म इज देयर. Endosperm is present into the cotyledons or into the seed leaves of the seeds. So this is the food for the embryo. What is endosperm? It is the food for the embryo in the form of special leaves. Special leaves present होती हैं called the cotyledons or seed leaves. If we see a seed, we remove the outer covering which is known as the seed coat and if we try to open it, if we take a dicot seed, for example the rajma beans, if we try to open it we see there are two cotyledons present into that seed. It means it divide into two equal halves और जो एक half आपको दिखाई देता है two equal half जो बने and that particular half is known as the cotyledons and can be also called as seed leaves. And these seed leaves जो आपको थोड़े से वो मोटे दिखाई देते हैं, थोड़े से थिक दिखाई देते हैं, दे स्टोर फूड फॉर द डेवलपिंग एम्ब्रियो व्हिच इज नोन एज एंडोस्पर्म. नेक्स्ट इज द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सीड. द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सीड इनटू अ सीडलिंग और अ बेबी प्लांट इज कॉल्ड जर्मिनेशन. सो सीड जो है वो क्या होती है, व्हेन दे सोन इनटू द सॉइल and when they get the proper water and warmth they will grow into or they will form a new plant or a baby plant. So student, this is the diagram of stages of germination. See in this the stages are given. First one, the seed is sown into the soil and when the water, if water is given to this, it will grow into a, so see a small leaf like green like structures comes out from this, then it will grow into further, and then the root reaches to the underside of the soil, and from this the seed again go up and it grows, then upper part the leaves also form from this is the cotyledons, and finally it grows also into a new plant. So these are the various stages of germination which are followed by the seed when they will grow into a new plant or a baby plant. So let's revise what we have learned in this. First we have discussed the seeds have a baby plant. Seed contains a baby plant, or is a baby plant or an embryo that will grow into a new plant. Whenever the seed reaches the soil, it will grow into a new plant when they get the enough water and warmth. Water and warmth are also very necessary. If they do not get the water and warmth, proper warmth is not given to the seed, they will not grow into a new plant. Then what are the parts of the seed? We have discussed the seed coat is the outermost covering. It protects the embryo from the injury and also prevent it from drying out. उसको सूखने से भी prevent करता है. Whereas the seed leaves or the cotyledons are also present in between the cotyledons or the seed leaves. A baby plant or the embryo is present to grow into a new plant, and the seed leaves also contain endosperm, which is the food for the embryo. Then also we have discussed that seed coat may be of two types. It may be thin or soft as in rajma beans, or it may be thick or hard as in coconut. Then the development of seed into a seedling is called the germination, and there are the different stages of germination. How a seed is sown into the soil, and later on by the passing of the time when it gets the proper germination condition, it gets the proper sunlight, gets the proper warm water and air also, then it will grow into a new plant or a baby plant. So this is about how seeds germinate into a new plant or a baby plant. Next is what are the different kinds of seeds. So seeds can be divided into two major categories. Seed जो है उनको भी two major categories में divide कर सकते हैं. First, the seeds used for plantation. Plantation means they are used to grow a new plant. And next is the seeds used for eating. The seeds which are used as a food, and they are edible seeds. So next is first one is the seeds used for plantation. The seeds which are used for plantation, again divided into many categories. So first is the seed used for growing cereal plants. And cereal plants are the plants like wheat and rice. Next is the seeds used for growing flowers and fruits. There are some seeds which are used for growing flowers and fruits. So examples are peach and apple. The seeds which are used to grow these fruits are also placed under the seeds which are used for growing flowers and fruits. Next category is seeds used for growing vegetables. The seeds which are used for growing vegetables are tomato, capsicum, peas. Next is the fourth group is the seeds used for growing grass. The fourth category is seed used for growing grass, and examples are seeds used for growing the dry grass seeds are the examples, and the new grass seeds are also the examples of the seeds which are used to grow the grass. And last is the seeds used for growing herbs. And herbs are the small plants that have weak stems, and examples are of these seeds are fennel. Fennel आपकी सौंफ होती है, and coriander is your धनिया. So these are the seeds used for the plantation. They are used to grow the cereal plants, they are used to grow the flower plants or the fruits, they are used to grow the vegetables, used to grow the grass, or used to grow the herbs. So they are further divided into the 5 categories. Next is the seed used for eating purpose. The seed used for eating purpose are also divided into the 2 categories. First is the category which seeds are eaten as a raw. जिनको हम क्या करते हैं रॉ फॉर्म में ही, कच्चे फॉर्म में ही, बिना कुक किए हुए, बिना रोस्ट किए हम उनको ईट कर सकते हैं. These are known as the seed which are eaten as raw. And the second are the seeds which cannot be eaten विदाउट कुकिंग, यानी उसको हम रॉ फॉर्म में ईट नहीं कर सकते, विदाउट उसको आप कुक करे यूज नहीं कर सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके जो किडनी बीन्स होते हैं, आपके जो चिकपी है, दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल दैट कैन नॉट बी ईटन रॉ. सो लेट्स सी, सीड्स कैन बी ईटन रॉ, जिसको हम कच्चा खा सकते हैं विदाउट कुकिंग, विदाउट रोस्टिंग, आर द सेसम सीड्स. आपकी तिल होती है, एंड पीनट जो है आपके मूंगफली, जो ग्राउंडनट आप बोलते हैं, दैट इज द पीनट. Next is the category is seeds needs to be cooked before eating. There's another category which plays under the seeds used for eating are they seeds needs to be cooked before eating. उनको cook करना जरूरी है. Without cooking we cannot eat that seeds. The examples are the kidney beans and the chickpea. Kidney beans are your rajma beans, whereas chickpea is your black gram. And it is a scientific term used for this black gram. So student, we have discussed about the kinds of seeds. They can be categorized into two categories. First, the seeds which are used for the plantation. Plantation means they are used to grow the new plant, and the second category is the seeds used for the eating purpose. Again, they have categorized into different categories. The seeds used for the plantation can be categorized into the use for growing crops. They are used for growing the fruits, vegetables. They are used to grow the herbs, or they are used to grow the grass. Again, the seeds for eating purpose again divided into two categories. The first one is the seed which can be eaten as a raw, and the other category is the seed which cannot be eaten raw. They can be eaten only after cooking them. So this is all about your today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.